the extra mile with your fajitas or tacos by wrapping it up in whole grains. It doesn't matter what you call them, wraps or flour tortillas. Both are essentially the same and typically used in Mexican-style cuisine or as a bread alternative. Regardless of what you call them, there are a few things you should consider before purchasing a brand. First, look at whole wheat varieties. Flip a package to the back and check for whole wheat flour. It should be listed as the first ingredient for a nutrient and fiber boost. Second, check the serving size or the wrap size. Some wraps are so big that one wrap is actually 2 servings. I want you to choose 6-inch wraps for individual use. Finally, find the fiber. While looking on the back nutrition label, look for 3 grams of fiber or more per serving. Now don't be fooled by brightly colored spinach and tomato wraps. There's no real vegetable bonus found in these, and they are often colored with artificial dyes. If you keep these tips in mind, your wraps will be fit to eat.
For more Fit to Eat recipes and kitchen tips, subscribe to Mississippi Public Broadcasting.